Welcome back to Manoj Nambiar's Travel Experiences. Today's video is about the famous Swarovski Kristallwelten near Innsbruck, Austria. The entrance to Swarovski Kristallwelten features an impressive giant. He is pretty imposing, with a waterfall cascading from his mouth. It was designed by multimedia artist André Heller to celebrate Swarovski's 100th anniversary in 1995. You can see the Swarovski factory close by too. One of the most incredible things about Swarovski Kristallwelten is its location in between snow-capped mountains in the town of Wattens near Innsbruck. It really does provide a stunning backdrop. Located in one of the oldest and most beautiful buildings in Innsbruck's old town, the store offers a shopping landscape with plenty of room for contemporary crystalline design. Say hello to the largest hand-cut crystal in the world. The final room contained some famous items from Swarovski's history. Cinderella's slipper. Cut from a crystal, it glinted and shone in the light. In the Chambers of Wonder and the expansive garden, internationally and nationally recognized artists, designers, and architects have interpreted crystal in their own unique ways. The 16 Chambers of Wonder, nestled underground in the iconic head of the giant, constitute the sparkling core of Swarovski crystal worlds in Wattens. Four of these spaces have now been graced with new installations that create one-of-a-kind experiences with shimmering details, exciting colors, and virtual encounters. The crystal dome, made up of 595 mirrors, was one of my favorite rooms. It was pure magic. Everything reflected. The colors kept changing. The final room, Crystal Forest, contains a large illuminated ball made of 10,000 crystals and strands of light stretching the length of the room. Another room starts with a waterfall and then opens out into a magical scene of lights, poles, and mirrors. Swarovski Kristallwelten turns Swarovski crystal into a living experience that is constantly changing and being reimagined for its visitors. Here, international artists are given the opportunity to interpret crystal in their own unique ways. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share.